This is how he decides to lay on the couch. Like a human. He brought the cottage. He walked over there, like through that little pathway is the Sarfani. Good boy, good girl. You protect the house. Mise, 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 Mise. They're waiting for the hello. That's so funny. Yeah, you think so, Cottage Man?
She's a whore.
Yeah? Bye, Felicia. Get him, Bruce, get him. You gave up? You gave up? Get him to do that funny thing with the floor again. That was so cute. No, where you bounce and jump and he jumps. Get him, Bruce, get him. Get him, Bruce, get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. You get him. Oh, you get him. Good boy, Bruce. So funny. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Oh, there's a smell on the carpet. Oh, it's a very nice smell. Snack in there. Kadima. Get him, Bonnie. Get him. Get it, Bruce. Get her, Bruce. Get her. Shalom, 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 shalom. Shalom. You're not interested. Shalom. Yeah, Bruce, you're getting her good. Oh, Bonnie's gonna get him back. Oh. Crazy kids. Oh, Bruce, you just choked her. Too rough. Bonnie, you okay? Shalom. Boy, Bonnie. I saw that, Bruce. Bonnie's getting him back. Get him, Bonnie, get him. He's like, I'm gonna choke you. You want me to choke you? Yeah, I'm gonna choke you. Yeah. He's like, no, you're not choking me. Crazy kid. Hey, hey, Bruce. Bunny boy, now, what are you doing? Shalom. Shalom. Bruce, leave her alone. You two terrorize each other too much. Too much. Too much. Too much terrorizing. Too much terrorizing. Hmm? Hmm? Oh, Bunny knocks my phone. Bunny. You crazy Bunny. She wants to go get the Brucey. She wants to get your Brucey. Go get the Brucey. Go get the Brucey. What's that, Bruce? What's that? What's that? You gonna shake it? You gonna shake it? There was tape stuck to her foot. That's the male, I think. The female went over here. Let's see the female. The male is still here. Yeah, I took a video so you could see them. Oh, he has a long hair. Get him, Bonnie. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Bonnie is getting in there. Get him.
She's looking at you.
Bonnie.
Here's the baby. What's coming?
Oh, look at the little gray one. Oh, so cute. How cute.
Yeah, now take a picture.
I'm taking a video.
So cute. They have 2 more. No, they have 3 more.
How cute. I see a little head popping up over there. So tiny. Bagheera was like that. Oh my god, that's so cute. What a weird place for her to have her babies. You watching the puppies, Bagheera? I know, it's cold out, huh? Where's the puppies going? Where's the puppies? Where's the puppies? You see the puppies? Yeah? Hi, Bagheera. Oh, and here's the tractor. It's like you're blocking my view, man. You want to go outside with the puppies? No, 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 no.
בוא נלך להצביע ביחד,
רצתה לעשות לך יותר כיף.
אהלן וסהלן. אני כמעט לא הצבעתי ובדקה 90 הלכתי להצביע ואז החלטתי שאני לא מצביע יותר.
והצבעת אבל הפעם?
והצבעתי, כן.
So there you know, watchdog,
12
watch
קילומטר.
rooster. Oh, what do we have for Bruce and Bonnie? Oh, what do we got in there? Let's try the toys first, huh? Oh. I don't know which one to try. Oh, maybe that one? Oh, Bruce Bunny. To chew on.
They just ate.
Bagheera really loves his new toy. You ready for this? Oh, oh. Crazy cat, crazy cat. Oh. Oh, whoa there. Oh, jeez, crazy cat, crazy cat, crazy cat, crazy cat. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, he's panting. Wow, you really love your new toy, huh, Dee Dee? Oh, oh, shnikes. Oh, shnikes. He's panting like a dog. Good boy, Schnuck Nick Nuck. Hey, Bundle. Here's a leaf. Oh, oh. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Kadima. Get him, Bruce. Get him, Tov. Kadima. Get him. He's like, what are you doing? He wants to tug on it. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Oh shit, Bonnie's pooping. Get him, Bruce. Get him. Bunny, look.
ברוס לא שם.
Oh. It was like, shit. Bonnie. Oh, Bruce fell. Crash and burn, Bruce. Here we Good boy, good girl. Oh, my shit. Bonnie's not happy about him being there. There you go. Get him, Bunny. Get him. Get him. Get him, Bunny. Get him. Get him, Bunny. Get him.
She's afraid again.
No, she's gonna get it. I think it's her game. Get him, Bunny. Get him. Get him. 2 is too powerful for her. I think she likes the red one more. I'm not sure. Get it, Bunny. Get it. Get it.
We will get their attention with those treats that right there would give us.